Are you creating your resume for the first time? We have curated a few tips that will make the process easier for you. Choose the right format. Include your information in a reverse chronological order, which means your recent experience first and the older ones later. For design, choose a format with less colors and font styles. Also, avoid using your picture. Here are some websites that will make resume crafting easier for you. Zeti, JobScan, and Cake Resume. Coming to the next point, make sure you include a resume objective. The objective should tell the recruiter how your career goals align with their plans. For instance, you can craft your objective like dedicated and highly motivated software developer with a strong foundation in DSA and a passion for coding. Seeking an entry-level position that will allow me to apply my knowledge and learn from experienced professionals while making a meaningful impact on innovative projects. Moving on to the next point, emphasize on the education section. As a fresher, that is the first thing that recruiters look for. Make sure that you mention the institute name, course taken, and your CGPA. The next thing is to mention the right set of skills you possess, as it will have a high chance of being shortlisted. For example, as a programmer, you can showcase your programming language skills, DSA skills, problem-solving skills. You can also showcase the projects you have worked on, the programming languages you use to work in these projects, and certifications as well. Next point is there is no need to mention self-declaration in resume. Here's what a self-declaration looks like. I hereby declare all the above mentioned details are true with a signature. Just don't include it. Now coming to the most important thing, which is proofreading the resume. Avoid grammatical mistakes at all costs. Use a grammar check tool like Grammarly to eliminate errors, or you can also send it across to your family or friends to help you out. Common grammar mistakes can include missing punctuations, improper capitalization, wrong spelling like using your instead of you are, there instead of there. Before I conclude, I would like to mention that always be honest on your resume. Never mislead your employer. For example, if you are not experienced with coding in Java, but you mention it, and the interviewer asks you a question on the same, you are going to be stuck, which will create a bad impression of you. So, never present skills that you do not possess. If you found this video informative and helpful, do share it with your friends. Thanks.